this is my second video now. I'm gonna be like so you stuff I can do, like not a lot, but I'll give it a go. I can do Donald Duck, then a predator. You can't hear them much. I can do kind of like tapping. That's a tapper. I need your clothes, your money, and a motorcycle. And the last one, let's say it's good, elephant.